CJ Covalito. I'm the General Manager of Integrated Project Teams at Standard Solar, an independent power producer, and we work with a lot of community solar customers, commercial and industrial, municipal, universities, schools, and other types of customers. Early in my career, we were building systems with advanced energy solar-on inverters and PV-powered inverters, and we had 30 kilowatt inverters the size of a commercial refrigerator that we had to pad mount on the ground. We put combiner boxes on the roof and ran all the cables down to these giant inverters that were expensive. I feel like I recall paying 50 cents a watt for inverters back then, and we used to use the SatCons and other things. So I think that was very early days, and in between we were doing, string inverters on the roof. And at first we had mounted them pretty close to the arrays when we had the 10-foot rapid shutdown rule. And then later shifted to SolarEdge, partially incentivized by the rapid shutdown requirements. And then later because we recognized it was the safest and most reliable system for rooftops. That is a key and core value of Standard Solar, is to ensure safety during construction and for the long-term operations and maintenance and operation of the system. Once we were really convinced that SolarEdge's commercial solution was an appropriate and value-added solution beyond just rapid shutdown, it made a lot of sense. SolarEdge has been a really good partner. One of the things that we really like about SolarEdge is they have fantastic technical support. They're always available and they're very responsive. And we also find that there are good products and good vendors out there, but no matter how great your product is, over a 35-year service life, over a large portfolio of 500 megawatts plus of solar projects, there's going to be some failures. Everybody has failures. What does that vendor do when they fail? How do they respond to the customers? How do they support that? And SolarEdge goes above and beyond with that support. They back their products. We've had them out in fields, boots on the ground over weekends, supporting troubleshooting and fixing things when we had urgent deadlines. That's not something we get from every vendor. And when we work with a manufacturer like that, they earn a lot more of our business and more of our loyalty because we see that in return. We exclusively use SolarEdge on rooftop systems. One of the reasons we do that, or primary reason, is safety. So when we are bidding on projects, especially competitive RFPs at schools and universities, we make a key point of our proposal that we're using SolarEdge. We're using a module-level power electronic solution that has capability to shut down power all the way to the back of the module. It has temperature sensors built into the module-level power electronics, and it detects issues before they happen and shuts down systems from a flick of one switch at one main point on the building. You have cables that have no voltage all the way to the back of the modules. It's just a much safer system. There's really no other system that is as safe and as efficient and compatible with a commercial scale design as SolarEdge. So we kind of see their solution as being really unparalleled in the industry right now. And when we're bidding on those types of projects, we really focus on that safety and value add features of the SolarEdge product. And I think it's very compelling, to the point where a lot of our customers will say, we're not taking any bids that don't include this type of technology.